Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. A massive nearby star, 500 times the size of our Sun, is dying. Now, you might be wondering, how can a star that big possibly die? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take you on a cosmic adventure. Imagine a star that's 500 times the size of our Sun, and it's dying. That's right, it's not just our Sun that's going to die one day, but a star so massive, it's literally exploding. This star is so big that it's actually dying, and it's just a stone's throw away from our solar system. Now, this star isn't just any ordinary star. It's a supergiant, and it's dying in a way that's absolutely mind-blowing. It's not going out quietly, but with a bang, a massive explosion that's going to create a supernova. But wait, there's more. This supernova is going to be so bright that it will be visible from Earth, and it's going to happen within the next 100,000 years. That's right, folks, we're going to witness a supernova right here on Earth. Now, you might be thinking, wow, that's incredible. I can't wait to see it. But hold on, because there's a catch. This star is so massive that when it explodes, it's going to create a gamma ray burst that's going to be so powerful, it will destroy our entire solar system. So, while it's an amazing sight to behold, it's also a bit of a downer knowing that our solar system is doomed. But don't worry, we've got plenty of time to enjoy the show before it's all over. So, there you have it, folks. A massive star, 500 times the size of our Sun, is dying, and it's going to be a spectacular sight to behold. But remember, it's also a reminder of the fleeting nature of life and the universe. That's it for today's cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating space facts and stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.